A femboy is a person who identifies as male, but expresses themselves in a feminine way. They may wear feminine clothing, makeup, hairstyles, or accessories. They may also adopt feminine body language, mannerisms, or voice. Some people may want to pass as a femboy in public for various reasons. They may have a personal preference for femininity, or feel more comfortable or happy in expressing their gender this way. They may also want to explore their gender identity, or expression without committing to a full transition. Or they may simply enjoy the aesthetic or challenge of passing as a femboy. Whatever the reason may be, passing as a femboy in public can be fun but also challenging. It requires some preparation, practice, and confidence. Here are some tips on how to dress, act, and be like a femboy in public. How to dress like a femboy in public. One of the most important aspects of passing as a femboy in public is choosing the right clothing. Clothing can make a big difference in how you look and feel as a femboy. Here are some tips on how to choose feminine clothing that suits your style and body type. Look for clothing that has feminine colors, patterns, or details. For example, you can choose clothing that has pink, purple, pastel, floral, lace, ruffles, bows, or sparkles. These can add some femininity to your outfit without being too obvious or over the top. Look for clothing that has a flattering fit and shape. For example, you can choose clothing that hugs your curves, accentuates your waistline, shows off your legs or chest area. These can help create an illusion of having a more feminine figure or enhance what you already have. Mix and match different pieces of clothing to create different looks. For example, you can wear skirts with blouses, dresses with cardigans, leggings with tunics, or jeans with crop tops. You can also layer different pieces of clothing to create more depth and variety. You can also accessorize your outfit with jewelry, scarves, hats, belts, or bags. How to use makeup to enhance your feminine features and hide your masculine ones. Another important aspect of passing as a femboy in public is using makeup to enhance your feminine features and hide your masculine ones. Makeup can make a big difference in how you look and feel as a femboy. Here are some tips on how to apply makeup to achieve a feminine look. Use a primer to prepare your skin for makeup application. A primer is a product that you apply before your foundation to smooth out your skin texture and help your makeup last longer. A primer can also help reduce the appearance of pores and fine lines. Use a foundation to even out your skin tone and cover any blemishes or imperfections. A foundation is a product that you apply all over your face to create a base for your makeup. A foundation can also help protect your skin from sun damage and environmental factors. Choose a foundation that matches your skin tone and type. Use a concealer to hide any dark circles under your eyes or any other areas that need extra coverage. A concealer is a product that you apply on top of your foundation to conceal any flaws or discolorations on your skin. Choose a concealer that is one shade lighter than your foundation for under eye circles, and one shade darker than your foundation for other areas. Use a blush to add some color and definition to your cheeks. A blush is a product that you apply on the apples of your cheeks to create a healthy and natural glow. Choose a blush that complements your skin tone and undertone. You can use powder, cream, gel, or liquid blushes. Use an eyeshadow to add some color and dimension to your eyelids. An eyeshadow is a product that you apply on your eyelids to create different looks and effects. Choose an eyeshadow that complements your eye color and shape. You can use matte, shimmer, glitter, or metallic eyeshadows. Use an eyeliner to define and enhance your eyes. An eyeliner is a product that you apply along the lash line of your eyes to create different shapes and styles. Choose an eyeliner that suits your eye color and shape. You can use pencil, liquid, gel, or powder eyeliners. Use a mascara to lengthen and volumize your lashes. A mascara is a product that you apply on your lashes to make them look longer and fuller. Choose a mascara that suits your lash type and preference. Use a lipstick to add some color and shine to your lips. A lipstick is a product that you apply on your lips to make them look more attractive and expressive. Choose a lipstick that complements your skin tone and undertone. You can use matte, glossy, sheer, or metallic lipsticks. How to style your hair in a feminine way, or wear a wig if you have short hair. Another important aspect of passing as a femboy in public is styling your hair in a feminine way or wearing a wig if you have short hair. Hair can make a big difference in how you look and feel as a femboy. Here are some tips on how to style your hair or wear a wig to achieve a feminine look. Choose a hairstyle that suits your face shape and personality. For example, you can choose hairstyles that are long, short, curly, straight, wavy, or layered. You can also choose hairstyles that have bangs, fringes, side parts, or middle parts. You can also experiment with different styles such as braids, buns, ponytails, or curls. Choose a hair color that complements your skin tone and eye color. For example, you can choose hair colors that are natural, dyed, highlighted, or ombre. You can also choose hair colors that are warm, cool, or neutral. Choose a wig if you have short hair or want to change your hair drastically. A wig is a hairpiece that you wear over your natural hair to create a different look. You can choose wigs that have different lengths, styles, colors, or textures. You can also choose wigs that are synthetic, human, or blended. Use hair products and accessories to style your hair or wig. For example, you can use shampoo, conditioner, serum, spray, gel, or wax to wash, condition, smooth, hold, or shape your hair or wig. You can also use accessories such as clips, pins, bands, ribbons, or flowers to decorate your hair or wig. How to act like a femboy in public. Another important aspect of passing as a femboy in public is acting like a femboy in public. Acting like a femboy in public can make a big difference in how you look and feel as a femboy. Here are some tips on how to adopt feminine body language, mannerisms, voice, and social norms. Adopt feminine body language and mannerisms to show your femininity and confidence. For example, you can cross your legs, tilt your head, smile, giggle, and play with your hair. You can also walk with a sway, sit with your knees together, touch your face or neck, and gesture with your hands. Use a higher-pitched voice or a voice modifier if you have a deep voice to sound more feminine and sweet. For example, you can practice speaking in a higher register, use intonation and inflection, and avoid monotone or flat speech. You can also use apps, software, or devices that can change your voice pitch and tone. Be aware of the social norms and expectations of the place you are in to avoid any trouble or misunderstanding. For example, you can research the place you are going to, follow the rules and regulations, respect the culture and people, and be prepared for possible reactions or comments. Passing as a femboy in public can be an exciting and rewarding experience for some people who identify as male but want to express themselves in a feminine way. It can also be a challenging and risky experience for some people who may face discrimination, harassment, or violence from others who do not understand or accept them.
We hope you found the information helpful. We know that being transgender can be a difficult journey, and we want to do our part to make it a little bit easier. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel. It would mean the world to us. You can also support our work by joining our membership. This will help us continue to create content that is helpful and supportive for the community. Thank you again for watching, and we hope to see you next time.